Not my usual content, but I just want to share my experience. Noong December 4, lumipad kami pa Boracay para sa kasal ng friends ko na sina Jules and Nina. Nakarating kami ng Boracay safely at sobrang gracious ng couple. Dito nila kami pinagstay sa Calamansi House. Yan yung pool at yan naman yung view. Pag nasa Boracay ka, hindi raw kumpleto ang experience kung hindi kayo magto 2 seasons. Yang kanilang 4 cheese pizza at oyster sisig ang top 2 things to order. The following day, nagkaroon ng parang welcome party para sa friends and family. Drinks were overflowing, sobrang sarap ng tuna at chicken salpicao, pero ang runaway winner ay yung beef salpicao. Sobrang sarap, sobrang tender. It was an experience. Speaking of experience, eto na yung mismong wedding day. The ceremony was filled with love, so congratulations ulit sa inyo, Jules and Nina. At yung reception nila, dyan ginanap sa Shangri-La. Yung mismong gabi, punong-puno ng saya. Parang yung plato ko, punong-puno na, humingi pa ako ng extra. Speaking of extra, extra saya talaga nung nagsasayawan na kami hanggang umaga. December 7 and 6 a.m., back to reality na. Kailangan na namin bumalik ni Chiclet ng Manila. May i-host kasi akong Christmas party ng isang kumpanya.